In space, there is no air, so technically, sound cannot travel. But NASA once recorded a mysterious sound coming from deep space. The signal was picked up by special instruments designed to detect electromagnetic waves. When scientists converted the signal into audio, they heard something chilling. It sounded like a strange cosmic whistle echoing through space. The source of the sound was traced to a distant planet. But even today, scientists still debate what actually caused it. Was it a natural cosmic event, or something we still don't understand? Space is full of mysteries waiting to be discovered. And this might be one of the strangest ever recorded.